Yeah, my fault, sorry.
Make sure you cover that hole. There you go. Come on, respect. Fucking pinnacle. Ugly fucking building.
We just turn up and set up a homeless camp, set up a refugee camp.
Yeah, these hammocks are lifesavers.
But they literally are. The caravan straight to the staircase.
Oh yeah, I could just do that. That's simpler. It's small enough, isn't it? Just about, I think. Yes. Easy.
Looking at the side of the scaffold like this. Wait, go. Wait, see his shoe. Wait, just drop it more.
Is that a full bottle of water? Mate, I've got those gig legs. I've just been standing still for 4 hours. We did 65 floors this morning. It was killer. At 5 in it. I know, bro. I'm actually fucking dying, but I'm hanging in there. Sheesh.
this, mate. You're late to work. Just do that again, you're gonna get sacked, mate. Steel ain't gonna erect itself.
Holy shit. Savage. We've got to go though. I want to stay, but we got to go. I want to take a piss off the side of it.
I did one last night, mate. It was so cold on my willy. That's why you went down, because I still ran a little bit.
Oh, safe, bro. I appreciate that. No. It's like well slidey.
Is your Instagram name anagram of best boy?
Yes.
I've just clicked them in.
You're the first person to figure it out. Fuck it. Come on, man.
You know. I just broke one of my lenses. Because I've got to the edge, no, not the 12. If I go to the 12, I'll jump off.
Let me get my camera. Oh, come on, we might as
I'll
well.
drop my lens down there.
No, you did not.
You fucking idiot. Holy shit, man.
Firing.
This is so sick.
Anyway, you can like...
Fuck it.
So central.
So central. The sky is so beautiful.
It's not the same, bro. I love these two. And so, stay there if you can, mate. I'm going to try and go on that white thing behind.
Alright.
Behind you, be careful.
Yeah. Oh mate, I can see Canary in the reflection behind you.
What? That is slow.
Whoa, free money.
Classic.
Gandhi.
Moi. Sri Lankan rupees.
What's the most valuable one?
Oh yeah.
Fucking
What's the coolest looking one?
Yo, this is
I
insane.
quite like the look of that one. Zambia.
Mate,
That looks pretty fucking cool. It's got like a moose on it.
Piano in here?
Norwegian.
Bro, this is fucking insane. Look at the ceiling. Oh my god. Look.
Oh, that is ugly as fuck.
No, that's is a bit crap actually.
That is whack. Fucking tired. Do you reckon we can hammock up?
I was thinking that.
There's gotta be a way. Oi, what's this saying? Yeah, the only thing that might be a thing is the antenna with the tap.
Yeah, when you're high and when you're tired. Or when you're both and you're hired.
When you're high and you're up on the roof tired. Sorry, second mate, but you're getting fired.
Why is there a tap up here? Water the grass that's dead. Does it work? Yep, it definitely works. Oh, it's a bit of a wobbler.
There we go.
We're good.